And you will have say, and me very report to say Shatawale and the Sarkodie social media beef beer ashasi. It's here for now, yeah, they say beef dear, a shasia, and the Nasa net here. We Canadian now we are Canadian, we Canadian now we are Canadian. Yabatiana says Shatawale, Eden send the Abba Betuja. Now, someone Shatawale air and say, won him say. Wobusa akodie ana wode ne saka sa akodie police for betino but nini nemu no wobebusa akodie Shatawale se wobebusa akodie na police for action no emfa ne ho asem nini na ne se sa akodie ye nyum ana wo ye enyuma beef woni ni beef nti Shatawale se eye corona mre de eni kwan se musician bia ne musician bia beefi ene ho nti wobebusa akodie se wono Shatawale na koka asema fa sa akode ho e ma sa akode ka twene se wo Shatawale jaiji mie no enu hunti wo se wo che sa akode a wo bebo no yenko tie nzema Shatawale de tuja na yekotie wi a ye ba ni ya fire ye be fire ye papa yenko tie mbra
sa akode I tell you something. If you go they do you go jab me I go beat you. I go this is I tell you report for police station. I go beat you, make they lock me. I go beat you. Me boo. We are calling. Cause I know who say we are size another. Me boo. Me boo. Because I say you know the thing. In times of corona, it will be another time where they do me this beef thing. I go take them normal. But time where people they die. You won't come confuse. If you say president they watch Twitter where they say the musicians they fight, they do beef. If you say go German. It was the people add me to this foolish music industry way they. You know this is the way God they work. They ban me, John Melo, a lot of people. They say they ban Shatawale, they ban me, so John a lot of people. Right now, coronavirus ban everybody. Me, my God, are the worship, I no sleep.
Media mechanic, Mechanic. Senya Shatawale, eto de bia, worry acting. I personally, I don't get him. Mechanic na tremo pa me nim say asem we make we be ka so melody so de o ye temani to support sa akode. Yes, me ye temani, me support sa akode. Me fan NCM me free tema. Ba le kre wo ho a e wo se ye den ye ka. Eto de bia Shatawale to me ya ade bia wudi na chikra na wenu ho. Munti asem ni eto de bia Shatawale to me di 7 previous ensemfun bi wo follow ne kra na wenu ho say inti abrantie we ya wo kra wo di na chi ne 7 previous 7 adwen na ne trimu ana mekasa ende asem we mekasa. What I don't like personally, Shatawale is very talented. Nyankopon we shirano. He has following. Now someone where ya me can and say tie Shatawale won wo yobia se Ghanaian companies channel nase na ye steady in life company bi ni Ghana ebia like the sales ebe for leader. The way this guy has been able to get a loyal following. Me to me say Shatawale is the only musician in the country right now. So yakase ono Shatawale sabe manya me mensi touchwood. Yakase Shatawale wusisia na wobi wo ho a ye beka say obi betumi de ne nkwa ato ho ma Shatawale a. Me to me say Shatawale is the only musician in Ghana obenya nkrofo more than 100 wo mo beka say wo mo de mo nkwa ebeto ho ewu ama Shatawale. Because people believe in him. The loyal following this guy has nyame nkwa se mfiri nyame a wontumi nya sa ade ne da. He is blessed ankasa. But to the bia wo ye nyama bia baka se and then na yapo no ebo ndwom na wo pese odi Shatawale atem obeka se obi wo ho anyame ahira no nanso wonhu ubon se cocaine no wo no na trese ase wabo yapo no nsem a wo kan no asem no ene say what I don't like about Shatta Wale ne say Shatta Wale ehu ne ho say wono pe enenim what is right. Just say bibi ebesi bia no wono pe ene wo say wo yese ono pe no say wo yese. Ti asem wo Shatta Wale eka. Say corona time, it is not the time for you to be dissing. It me Shatta Wale call TV3 anopa we. Asi sa akodi sa behind the hits na sa akodi ye ewo Instagram live Ghana phone ya elbo na baso no ono Shatta Wale no ohun ne se be ye nkwasi asem because ade na sa akodi ye no sika bia mbaso enti ye kwasi asem tese wono Shatta Wale no pese wo oma Ghana phone hu ne se wono pani wo bia de wo be ye bia ye papa o musician we na wo se wo ye opese o dictate ma musician bia wo Ghana ha se meanwhile de wo ye no eye act. You Shatta Wale no, you know say act is something you can't dictate. Now so no Shatta Wale no, oh wait time. Any kwan say oye njum bi say, oh Ghana for wait time. Any kwan say oye njum bi say, wait time. Any kwan say oye njum bi say. De bia wono no person dictate e magana o dictate magana for musicians for say when there was some year at this particular time. When there was some year at this particular time. Meanwhile, wo bia ma was all right near. No one has given you that right. Now so sorry, anyway, anyway, oh pento, nipa baku, wuni wo bia ko aden. Nipa baku pe wuni wo bia wo ben wo bia ko. And I can list a lot of people. Shatta Wale ni omo shase, PM Boss, even Onankasa ne Shatta Michi, and they woni ni hobium. Rude Boy Ranky Muni na Onankasa ni nia Blade, Lonzy Blade. Onankasa ne personal abranti ana de bia ne first ano ne nampa your friend is Stone. Onankasa ne number 1 fan ewo UK ano ye ni nia nkasa na danfo KOD one no nso intokwa nipa baako oni obia ntese obia wo ben ni bia enya fight adey sa won say simply like unye BBC ya then those of us who actually love you know woman ase dabi abrantie ase dear wood in a chika. Let me tell you one thing. When I started following Shatta Wale 2014 emra na Shatta Wale wone samini enya ntokwa no emra me sha say me follow Shatta Wale emra wone samini nya ntokwa 2014 na sa time no na me a strong fan of Shatta Wale. Then na me a strong fan of Shatta Wale they say sa time na Samini claim say we African dancehall king. Samini sa time no claim me and na Shatta Wale ba bom say hey Samini wo boa enyoma wo ye na enye dancehall insio na emu na beje de mu ma ye nda me ko ama koma linda enye dancehall it membe claim say we African dancehall king. Sa time na Shatta Wale njum bia wo ye bia e dancehall. It made me want to say that happy as someone that Shatta Wale edit but the message Shatta Wale was carrying, it was true. Samini wasn't doing dancehall, so there was no right for Samini to declaim and say we're African dancehall king. And brother Shatta Wale were pure dancehall. So I supported Shatta Wale and that time I kai madam for pano supported Samini. E be danin to kwakra within me madam for no. 2014 I sent America chemo. For Shatta Wale to come and get fame. Na afi adia na Samini ye no Shatta Wale so ahase afi we jai dance on nyom no ana dance on nyama ne ye e na afi ku pa nyom kwa na no obo ke ku ke pa e ho na me hu say so I just realized from then say abrantie we mama me di na chi wrongly adia wo ma me de ma ho de ma madam for kra me ne no ebenya ntokwa because of asema wo kan yenti wo benya position Ghana for beji wutu mu no you went the same way you were bashing that person eho and am sure say dabi sa branch Shatta Wale we wo ka asem enda obesesa na no ochina e wo say yehwe ni ye anso wa wo Shatta Wale coronavirus here wo dey excuse e ka say coronavirus abanti ma sa akode wonye enjumbi anye we no wo Shatawale ye ka say coronavirus yi bedane ambassador ne inform nkrofo no de wo kan ne say aban enchia wa wo ndane ambassador ende wo hunyansa ka say obi say corona time do it is the time for the person to be advocating wo ye ka say be advocating no wo say ye tia o cancer. And then they said in previous a woman who said, "O fans no corona ne betumi atwe omo eku omo aban na emetia o cancer." Mi boefu. How can you come out and say something like this? Just say the only thing you know, and that's one thing I don't like about Shatawale. Just say the only thing he knows is Chale, violence, inciting violence. Enuti ende asema de bia wobi kan se ende uko school bia na nkwala no mo aso ye den bia no don so wo mo se Shatawale wo mo a etutura asem ewo mo ni so wo beti yo mo se ye de Shatawale na. What type of legacy are you creating for yourself? The legacy of violence. And there one shatter movement ni bi nya asem na was here who dem abo Abrante bi e wo social media friend Kojo Sheldon. Into last what can send be. Na me ko hear comment na se no. Guy bi support Shatawale or the Shatawale aye ni profile picture na nsem be nyama bebre. E na waka se wo be obekwa kohwehwe Kojo Sheldon ni woni fie no wabono. Ade wo de be Kojo Sheldon no obehu, wo be che na bono. E ma ni ma me kire hu na won recognize ni bi. Na me say Abrante da bi o. Anya bia se ni patron no aye ade na enya. So is violence the only way you know? Because yeba bono. And I'm say, hey, you say SM4 din, you say Shatawale din. But he and the Shatawale nankasa nsema wo ba beka. There's a modie, muni obinya asema the only way you know is violence. Uni kweku smoke konya asem. Wo ko tuchi no bu ko mu ne nsa. Asem still we police station yen kan wiye. The only thing you know, violence. If something doesn't go your way, the only thing, violence. They are now the call Stone Boy. Stone Boy winning award audio before Echo stage. You can at least nanka wo bibe hu say dabi you will learn some sense from things like this. But dabi the only way you know and they say violence. The wuni man no. Uno obinya ntokwa. Hey, the wuni man no. Yang konko bono. What are you teaching the youth of this country? What are you teaching the youth of this country? Bibia yang kokuntokwa. The slightest thing, hey, yampene, me bull. Hey, oh, me bull. Me chiwa me bull. And no one wunim. Oh ho. Sana nano. Wo Shatawale wo personal photographer sa akode ne blogger a friend ko biche wo ne sa akode nya aseminti wo personal photographer ekoche sa akode blogger born asum na nka wo Abrante papa wo fie na wakola akwakobo o rival sa akode asum na ka at least na ka Shatawale de wo sa o kan say oh me buy de wan nya de. Now, so you took to Snapchat and social media and laugh at Sako there and the blogger, no? Say, ya bo asuma ya bo dirty slap ya mouth. Ya bo asuma ya bo. So all you know is violence. BBC ya me de me kokon, me bo asum, me de me bo. And no one winim. Master, we are tired of you. We are tired of this your violence thing. We are tired of you. Edian.